from my point of view, Indian companies are not really doing good, excepting where there is a direct data understanding. Today, the understanding of data, the value of data is not known by many of the manufacturing companies. Majority of the IT companies are aware today because their bread and butter is only the data, based on it they are processing the information, getting it processed as information. Wherein the manufacturing companies, where there are rich designs are there, they are also least bothered about interpreting them as data. Even when systems are going out of their compound, they prepare a gate pass only for the hardware. They don't have any understanding about the data part which is going along with the hardware. So that is the understanding of our Indian enterprise today, especially in the south.
Okay.
I feel that there seems to be a lot of encouragement and understanding, awareness creation, exercise that is much more required. We learn hard way only by experiencing the damages, not on our own. See, instead of the problem for us as a security specialist, or only in terms of making it as a subject, not as a way of life. What I feel is little different from what generally is taught in the institutes, where the security should be the way of life, like your total quality management or whatever is the required for the business IT solutions, whether it is hardware or software. I think we need to have a kind of rule-based, that is, this is the way of life, this is the rule you have to follow, this is the procedure you have to adopt, all that to be a part of life. As soon as one person is entering, we have to get the proper understanding of him, as well as his understanding on the security part, instead of making it as a separate subject. The integration of security in your day-to-day activity will automatically take care of whether it is hardware or software or processing. So in the Indian enterprise, especially in the manufacturing organization, like how we lock the door, and without even anybody is telling, we are pulling the lock and seeing whether it is locked properly, or how we lock the two-wheeler and shake it and see whether it is locked properly. Even many times I have seen that the car is locked, again we open through remote key, then close it again to ensure that it is perfectly closed. So these are all something which we inherit automatically from our parents, ancestors, colleagues, whoever. But the security is one thing which need not be taught, it should be inherited by seeing the other people following from top to bottom. And I prefer top-down approach because of many of the top leaders or top managers who are not senior management people, who are not following the security because of their position. And the down the level people, they were not able to force. Like how they wear shoes and insist their subordinate also to wear shoes to protect their leg or to make an appearance. So security should be two-way. One is for protecting the environment. Secondly, as a way of life, for appealing and confidence on the customers, stakeholders, and the candidates, employees, whoever it is. There is a big vacuum, and the momentum has not started. As I heard that this kind of institutes, which are picking up well, slowly, even after this kind of the individual ideology which creates this kind of institution, the universities are now slowly coming. I've heard that some of the universities are introducing the information security courses, specialized courses. But I feel that a lot of education, because hacking or cyber security is not at all taught in a proper way. Once it is taught like how we are doing our schooling and college, the same way it is also to be taught as a part and parcel. And there are very few companies, and there is a big vacuum today. And I hope that this is not going to continue for long. There are threats which are spread all over the world, the universe, and definitely I feel personally, based on my experience of over 10 years, that the security institutions should come up well, and they are going to have the good momentum, and they are going to lead the show in future business.